You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this surname of French origin, correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and pronunciations like this, stay tuned. I've got many more for you at the end of this video. The French pronunciation first is as Broussard. Brou, O-U, is the U sound in French. Broussard. The D is silent. Broussard. Now in English, the pronunciation is more generally as Broussard. Broussard. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.